Hello everybody, welcome to Chinatown Hotel in Chicago, which as you would guess is located in Chinatown. And an interesting hotel it is! And I will show you why. Okay, so here's the door. And this room is actually like two separate rooms, but it's still one. So here's, I guess, one bedroom with a closet. Nice big screen TV there. Yeah, that's real big. Landline, remote, lamp. And then we go across the hall into the bathroom, which is interesting as well. Your favorite content creator. And a standard shower, which is kind of narrow, but seems okay. Oh, let's look at the view. It's actually a pretty cool view. And into the second bedroom where Emma is. Say hi.
Hello.
What do you think of Chinatown Hotel?
Well, it's not too bad. Seems fairly inexpensive.
It certainly was.
Right. Fun fact, you have a remote for the AC.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Which is convenient. That means I don't have to move.
Oh, they give you this very interesting key. They like put in the knob and then like turn. Unfortunately, you can't keep it as a souvenir. Well, you could.
I totally would.
for $50 extra, you could, I guess. And yeah. Let's see, what else? There's not really much more to elaborate on. Well, I guess if you're ever in Chicago and going to an event at the Radius, then I will recommend it, and I would stay again. Definitely a unique environment. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for videos of Chinatown and or Nightwish.